Tesla Cybertruck has a new man. Tesla China boss Tom Zhu apparently has a very big role in preparing Giga Texas Cybertruck for production. He has worked with a team of Shanghai on Cybertruck production at Giga Texas and is reportedly in line for a promotion at Tesla. Zhu's involvement at Giga Texas and the Fremont Factory has led to speculation among colleagues that he may be in line for a higher level position at Tesla. In August 2022, the Tesla China boss and the Shanghai team were brought in to address production issues in the United States because Tesla China has done really well in terms of ramping up the production. Zhu reportedly bought an engineering team from China to help him with Giga Texas and the Fremont Factory. A source familiar with Giga Texas operation said that the Shanghai team was spotted working in an area reserved for Cybertruck and battery development. This is a very telling statement, and I will have the reference, the link of the reference in the description section. Tesla plans to start Cybertruck production next year in 2023. Cybertruck bodies have been spotted at Giga Texas already over the last few months, hinting at its progress. A few days ago, a video of Giga Texas indicated that the factory started receiving major parts of IDRA's 9,000-ton Giga press for Cybertruck production. Zhu's colleagues told Reuters that the Tesla boss might be in line for a senior position with a wide range role at Tesla. Zhu has been spotted frequently flying between Texas and California, where Tesla's main factories in the United States are located now for producing electric cars, because Tesla also has a factory in New York where it produces the solar panels and roof things. Reports in China state that Zhu might be appointed Tesla global CEO, and Elon Musk is grooming him to be the next head of the company. As of this report, however, Tesla has not announced any plans or details about Zhu's reported new place in the company. The title of Tesla CEO might still stay with Elon Musk, but as the company continues to grow, a manager for global operations might be necessary. Tesla is expected to announce a new Gigafactory location by the end of possibly this year, maybe tomorrow, or by early next year, for making another site, because this will be like making another site for Elon Musk to visit. Elon Musk will be very busy with visiting the Gigafactory Berlin, Gigafactory Texas, Gigafactory Shanghai, and possibly Gigafactory Mexico, which I reported the details yesterday. And now this is why Tesla may need a new role, and Zhu may be appointed for that role, but right now focusing primarily on Cybertruck production, bringing the expertise from Giga Shanghai to Gigafactory Texas to start and ramp up the production of Cybertrucks, because last we heard Cybertruck has from 600,000 to 1 million pre-orders. They're not, several $1,000 pre-orders, but they are significant because people are committed and seem to be committed on that. So what do you think, friends? What do you think will happen with Cybertruck production? This is Armin Harayan. Please subscribe to this channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news. Give us thumbs up, I would greatly appreciate it. Share in social media and subscribe to our channel. And I look forward to your comments. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section below. And I'll see you soon in our next report.